What's up everyone? We made it. Well, me, not the wifey yet. She's coming tomorrow morning. Let's give you a little tour of our, I don't know what this is. It's definitely not a suite. It's like a live-in hotel. It's pretty nice. 2 nights here, and we're gonna be spending, this is big. I like the space. Check out the mirror. Like the bedroom too, like the backboard. That's it, home for 2 nights. See you on the bubble boat. What's up everyone? Honey's here.
Hello, morning.
Check out the outfit for the bubble boat. This is Honey's outfit of the day for the bubble boat. She did not bring her flats, so she's wearing the sneakers. It's okay.
They let me in.
I don't know if the boat's gonna be moving. Hopefully. Florida is where we got engaged in Disney World.
Yes.
So always have a small place in our heart, Florida. 2 years ago, yes. Okay, I always wanted to ask Honey why she wanted a FlyFish club. This was her first NFT that she ever wanted to buy. Honey, why did you want it?
First of all, I like Gary Vee.
Oh.
Yeah, I heard a lot about him. I do like him. Second of all, I like fish.
She liked fish.
I like sushi, so. And New York City too.
New York City, that's right.
Yeah.
We met in New Jersey.
That's where we date. Like our first 6 months, we were hanging out in New York so much. So there's so many reasons I feel like.
Head away from this bus. Yeah, so I'm a vegetarian, but I'm gonna have fish today for the FlyFish Club.
Are they gonna have fish
They're
today?
gonna have caviar. We made it, guys, the bubble boat. This might be it. We're back where we met. On the East Coast. Not gonna say it's the best coast, because we live on the West Coast now, but I'm Joe. Yeah.
Joe, not John.
Oh, I'm emailing you. Joe, what's your name?
Yeah, I'm Sean.
Sean, nice to meet you. What's up, Roger?
Love the
Joe,
video.
nice to meet
Love the
you.
video.
Yeah, thank you guys. This is my fiance, yeah.
Nice to meet you. Congratulations.
Hell yeah. FlyFish Club. I need the FlyFish hat in there. There we go, representing now.
Randomly bought a token. He lives a mile from me. I'm like, what is going on here? There we go. Thank you for coming to Miami. I want to thank you for joining us on the first FMC Bubble Boy voyage. Hopefully it's not a 5-hour cruise and we hit rough waters like it does in Thailand and we make it back alive. Cheers everybody to the FlyFish Club! Let's go! We ride! Bloody tooth guy, if anything happens to you on the boat, he's gonna take care of you.
Oh, this is your first one?
Secret door here. Oh, it's a secret door. Come on, get in there. Just grab one in. You ready?
I'll grab one with my
Open your mouth, buddy. Go.
got the back view. It's all good.
First of all, no bullshit. This is kind of cool. You will get to know all of us on a very intimate level, and I'm telling you right now, I'm very sensitive. I'm very emotional, and I'm probably going to start to cry. But we set out to build something special, and I think we created just that. And it started with us, but it ended with everybody here, and just the beginning of the FlyFish Club, and a lot of good shit to come. Megan and Gordon, they're not on the boat. They didn't make it, but these guys actually were willing to get married on the boat. Natalie, everybody raise your glass to Natalie.
I couldn't cop one, so I had to cop three, and now I'm a triple FlyFish Club holder, VIP.
That's what
It was
I
like the most awkward moment that just kept going and going.
And then my buddy was like, FlyFish Club. FlyFish Club.
I was with my girlfriend. I was like, babe, I got posters right now. It was snowing. It was snowing so hard. I was like, we gotta do it right now. Right now. Within 20 minutes, it was done.
Where's his rowboat? Where's his rowboat? First of all, the song was Boats and Hoes. My son loves that movie. He's got a t-shirt that says Boats and Hoes. He's 12 years old. It's completely inappropriate. He leaves his newborn. Yes.
Oh my God. Wife has the baby under one arm and the camera in the other.
Oh my God. The newborn home to be here, yes?
Yeah.
So you're rowing. It looks like you're rowing in the middle of the Atlantic. Where is your wife?
She was in the boat for filming some of it, and then that other bit, she was on the beach, and I just said, multiple, cut the sand down, so it looks like I'm in the middle of the sea.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, this guy hired it on the boat. I'm thinking he's like 30 feet back. Very well done. Great execution. And we really appreciate it so far. Bullshit. No bullshit. I think I might have watched your video 22 times. Again last night. My daughter and my son loved it. Everybody watched their video?
To be fair, Roddy said the number one thing he was most excited about was having meaningful conversations with people.
We're all going to be together tonight at Macalina, which is a wonderful Italian restaurant. What's one of my sayings in life? What's one of my sayings in life? Come on, what did I say in Daytona?
Away we go!
Away we go. What did I say in Daytona about my son? Life is about relationships, right?
Yes.
Life is about relationships. You guys are getting married. Life is about communication. Communication is the key to life, right? Life is about communication. Who said it? Quality over quantity, right? It's the quality of your relationship. It's the quality of the food that you eat. You can eat a lot of good food for really cheap, or you can eat really good food for a lot less. I don't know if that makes sense. Point is, life is about relationships, and we're starting these relationships here today, which I think is really special. And this is a moment that I know I will never forget. These guys make fun of me because I don't always live in the moment, and I capture a lot of content. I post too much. If you notice, right now, this is all about this moment.
Let's go.
So, develop incredible relationships. When we open
Not
this
the best
restaurant,
personality, but a great human.
no, you're pretty good. You're coming along. You're coming along. I'm starting to rub off on you a little bit.
We're here at Macchialini. I think that's how we say it. I did. Cheers, bro. Did you get it? Yeah, strong. That's fine. Yeah. How you doing? Thank you.
And us in the VCR group believe family first, and that'll never change. I hope you all agree with that. Well, we're glad you made that to Miami. We're having a lot of fun. I want to thank our host for the evening, Michael Parolo.
All right, guys, we're here with the CEO, Roddy.
What up, what up?
Fish Club. What do you say? You got any alpha? Anything you want to say to the viewers out there in NFT land?
Listen, get in the project. We're doing a lot of fun stuff. We're throwing parties in Miami. It's all about utility, FlyFish Club. Just get aboard. This is the fucking shit.
That's right. We're gonna catch him. We're gonna do a lot more videos of FlyFish Club, so we're gonna get some alpha for you guys, and we're gonna kick
See you
ass.
guys soon. Join the club.
Thank you.
What's up, guys? We made it
Back.
Finish the Italian restaurant. I cannot pronounce the name. And we got some caps for our little FFC holders. That's it. That's a wrap for the bubble boat. I will see you guys in Hamptons. Wine tasting. We're flying out for all of them, right, honey?
Oh yeah.
Every single one of them we're coming. So please
Sure.
select us on each one of them. 'Cause we coming.
We'll be there.
We need some miles. We'll be there. We'll be there.